After the end of World War II in 1945, Germany was defeated and divided into four occupation zones, controlled by the victorious powers: the United States, the Soviet Union, Britain, and France. These zones later became two separate states: East Germany, German Democratic Republic, controlled by the Soviet Union; West Germany, Federal Republic of Germany, formed by the zones controlled by the US, Britain, and France. Berlin, although located entirely within East Germany, was also divided into four sectors. The beginning of the conflict. During the Cold War, tensions grew between the Eastern Bloc, led by the Soviet Union, and the Western Bloc, led by the United States. Berlin became a hotspot because many East Germans fled to West Germany through Berlin's divided sectors. This mass migration, often referred to as a brain drain, posed a significant challenge to the communist regime in East Germany, as many skilled workers and intellectuals were leaving for better opportunities in the West. On the night of August 12th to 13th, 1961, the East German government, with Soviet backing, began constructing a wall to separate East and West Berlin. Initially, it started as barbed wire barriers and later developed into a heavily fortified concrete wall that stretched approximately 155 kilometers, 96 miles. The main purpose of the wall was to stop the massive flow of East Germans escaping to the West. The Berlin Wall became a physical and ideological symbol of the division of the world into two camps: communism in the East and capitalism in the West. The wall was heavily guarded with watchtowers, armed soldiers, and landmines, making escape nearly impossible. Despite the risks, thousands attempted to flee, with some succeeding while others lost their lives. In the late 1980s, communist regimes across Eastern Europe faced growing pressure for reform. In 1989, protests demanding democracy intensified in East Germany, leading the government to ease travel restrictions. On November 9, 1989, during a press conference, an East German official mistakenly announced that the borders between East and West Berlin were open immediately. Thousands of people flocked to the wall. Overwhelmed by the crowds, border guards allowed people to pass freely, and citizens began tearing down the wall. Germany was officially reunified in 1990, with Berlin as its capital. Today, remnants of the Berlin Wall remain as a historical monument and a powerful reminder of the cost of division.